The Christopher H. Drowne House is an elegant side-entry Greek revival originally built in 1862 and located in the sought-after College Hill neighborhood. This property has been expertly restored and completely renovated for 21st century living. Crown molding, gorgeous wood floors, and coffered ceilings adorn the beautifully appointed living spaces, including the entry hall where a stunning staircase with a carved wood banister ascends 3 stories. A tasteful den faces west for skyline views of downtown Providence. A stunning cook's kitchen with custom cabinetry and chef's grade appliances takes center stage in the open dining and living areas. A half bath and mudroom have been recently added to the entry and complete the main level. The sumptuous second-floor master suite has an amply proportioned walk-in closet and a spa-like bath with a dual-sink vanity and walk-in shower. A second bedroom and an eau courant full bath are also located on this floor. Up one flight are 2 additional bedrooms, one with an adjoining bath and a study that is the perfect place to telecommute. A private garden-level apartment with a fireplace provides for income or a separate living space for extended families. This home is in a superb location just a few blocks from the retail shops at University Marketplace and all of the other shopping locales along Hope and Thayer Streets. Minutes away are the renowned campuses of the Rhode Island School of Design and Brown University. Visit local parks like Brown Street Park or Lippitt Memorial, home to the popular Farmers Market. Water Place Park and all of the award-winning venues of downtown Providence are less than a mile away. Walk to the train station or use the nearby interstate to travel up and down the Northeast Corridor. For more information, please visit the property website or contact Jim DeRentis at area code 401-529-2188.